Hello everyone. Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. I'm so excited to have you here today. In this video, we're going to explore some beautiful and creative wall-by-wall planting ideas that will transform your space and bring nature indoors. If you love decor and DIY ideas, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us bring more inspiring content your way. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started on creating your own green paradise together. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and trendy way to transform your walls, wall-by-wall planting. If you're a plant lover or want to add a touch of greenery to your home, this video is perfect for you. Let's explore creative ideas to turn your plain walls into lush, vibrant green spaces that breathe life into any room. Wall planting is an innovative decor idea that combines nature with interior design. It not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space but also improves air quality and creates a calming environment. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious home, wall-by-wall planting can be customized to fit any size or style. The key is to choose the right plants that thrive indoors and suit your lighting conditions. Begin by selecting a dedicated wall for your vertical garden. You can opt for a simple framed setup with potted plants or go for a more elaborate design using wall-mounted planters. Wooden or metal shelves can also serve as platforms for your favorite greenery. Remember to plan the layout before installing to ensure a balanced and visually appealing arrangement. Next, consider the type of plants you want to include. Ferns, pothos, philodendrons, and succulents are popular choices because they require minimal maintenance and adapt well indoors. Mixing different textures and shades of green can add depth and interest to your wall garden. Incorporate trailing plants to spill over the edges for a natural, wild look. Lighting plays a crucial role in wall planting. Ensure your chosen wall receives adequate natural light. If not, supplement with grow lights that mimic sunlight. Proper lighting helps plants flourish and keeps your wall looking fresh and lively. Position your plants thoughtfully to maximize their growth potential and visual impact. Use innovative containers to enhance the decor. Macrame hangers, vintage tins, or geometric wall planters can add a unique touch to your wall garden. You can also create a themed display, such as a tropical jungle or minimalist green wall, by coordinating the colors and styles of your planters and plants. Maintenance is essential to keep your wall garden thriving. Regular watering, pruning, and dusting will ensure your plants stay healthy. Installing drip irrigation systems or self-watering planters can make maintenance easier, especially if you have a large wall installation. Remember, healthy plants are the key to beautiful decor. For a more personalized touch, add decorative elements like fairy lights, small sculptures, or framed botanical prints around your wall planting. These accents can complement the greenery and create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Use contrasting textures and colors to make your wall garden stand out even more. Wall-by-wall planting is also a fantastic way to maximize space in small apartments. It transforms blank walls into functional art installations, freeing up floor space. This idea works particularly well in kitchens, living rooms, or even bedrooms, bringing nature indoors in a stylish and space-efficient manner. Thank you for watching Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We hope these wall-by-wall planting ideas inspire you to create your own green paradise at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more decor tips and craft inspiration. Happy decorating and happy planting!